Hello kids, today we are going to count the shapes and then color it with beautiful colors. So let's begin. First we are going to learn the color names. Yellow color, grey color, orange color, purple color, black color, brown color, red color, blue color, green color. First I am going to outline the square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it also has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's outline the square. First we draw one line like this and another line like this. We draw one line at the top and one line at the bottom. This is a square. Did you know all the sides of a square are of the same length? One square. Now it's time to outline the heart. The heart has 2 points and 2 sides. The heart looks so beautiful. Now let's outline the heart. First we draw a curve like this, then a curve like this to make one heart. Now for the second heart. Now this is the second heart. 1, 2. 2 hearts. Now it's time to outline the diamonds. There are 1, 2, 3 diamonds. Do you know a diamond also has 4 sides, but this is not like a square, but it also has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to outline it. First I am drawing one side, then the second side, now the third side, and now the fourth side. Now time for the second one. This is the second one. Now it's time for the third. 1, 2, 3. 3 diamond shapes. Now it's time to outline the triangles. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Now it's time to outline it. First I am doing this side, then the bottom side. Now for this side. Now just like this I am going to do the second, third and fourth one. Now we have completed the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Now lastly, it's time to do the rectangle. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. First we are going to do the long sides like this and this. Now the short sides like this and this. Yay! We have done the outline. Now it's color time. First we have the one square. One square. Now the two hearts. Heart. Two hearts. 1, 2. Now for the three diamond shape. Diamond shape. 3. Three diamond shape. 1, 2, 3. Now for the four triangles. Triangle. 4. 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the 5 rectangles. First for rectangle. 5 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.